Welcome to my channel and hope you all are doing great. Today I am here with something special, a dessert that I like a lot. I will show you how to make coconut ball or Narkel naru in 10 minutes. To make coconut ball, you need shredded coconut, jaggery, ghee, cardamom powder and cinnamon powder. Okay, let's make it together. First, put 1 tablespoon of ghee on a non-sticky fry pan. Then add 2 cups of shredded coconut. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. Please keep the flame on medium. Here I am using frozen coconut and it's easy to find at the superstores. Then add 1 cup of jaggery bit pressure to make it. My husband also helped me to make the balls. The coconut balls are ready. We made around 30 coconut balls. Yana liked the coconut balls as you can see. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.